Global alert. Global alert. Global alert. This is a global alert update. As of recent, the countries of Peru, United States, and Saudi Arabia have entered a complete and total lockdown, as the entities have been spotted in these countries. In Saudi Arabia, the most dangerous entity is Megatron, with a total confirmed death count of 248, and a rising missing count of 326, and an injury rate of 2. In Peru, the entity spotted is Starscream, with a total confirmed death count of 237, and a rising missing count of 439, and an injury rate of. In the United States, the most dangerous entity is Optimus Prime. Death count, unconfirmed, missing count, 300 and rising, and injury rate, 3. Multiple pictures of these entities have been taken before confirmed deaths. Some are unable to get away, and there is speculation that the missing persons have been taken to some higher being. If you are in these affected areas, you must evacuate immediately. Update. The survivor count is low, but they all share the same religion: Catholicism and Judaism. If you are part of any cult, coven, or Wiccan group, stop your practices immediately. Pray to God. Pray to God. Pray to God. The intense presence of the Trinity, or of God in Christians and Jews, scare away these demons. Nunneries and Christian monasteries and churches are good safe houses for those who are believers. However, if your faith is not strong enough, there is no hope.